FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange that's been in the news a lot lately. If I remember right, it was like number 3 in the world for as much volume as they produced in crypto and were able to exchange it into fiat currencies or regular money. And the guys that were running that are kind of being investigated right now for some underhanded stuff, which caused a big portion of this meltdown. In fact, there are some other companies right now that are on the chopping block because they just don't have the funds to be able to back up those investments. And I think there's going to be another big round of crypto blowups in the near future. Hopefully by the first of the year, they'll get this all sorted out. But there has literally been billions of dollars lost in these crypto exchanges like FTX.